Peter, and I'm running the Smart Data stream at Innotribe at Sibos. Smart data is another word for more semantics. So what are semantics? We all know semantics from the Swift messages, where every field has its specific label or name, like a city, an address, an account number, etc., etc. What we are going to do now is apply that knowledge to non-structured data, like PowerPoints, like PDFs, like Word documents, like video streams, like audio streams, like tweets, like TV channels, etc. So how does this link to financial industry? Well, I'll give you two examples. First example is a technology that we have spotted from Palantir Technologies. What they do, they have an application called mortgage fraud detection. So they look at the number of real estate that has been sold in a certain region around the city, and then they can overlay that information with data coming from tax authorities and other information sources. And this way they could discover that one person was selling 100 real estate into the market and reselling it twice without declaring taxes. Another good example is one of the demos that you will see during our face-to-face discussion from Sidex. What they do, they look at information streams, thousands of information streams coming from different sources like TV channels, tweets, Facebook entries, blogs, Bloomberg, Reuters, and they tag that information semantically in real time, and they do correlation with what's happening on the stock exchange and what is happening in your specific portfolio of securities. So, what's happening at Innotribe at Sibos in the Smart Data stream? Well, we'll have keynotes, we have face-to-face panel discussions, and of course we will have our ID generation labs. In everything that we do, we have tried to bring together people that will show you what this could mean for financial services. So we will not do a theoretical set of presentations, but the guys we invited will give you a presentation and a demo of what semantic data and smart data can mean for financial services. In the keynotes, we have some really worldwide thought leaders, such as Nova Spivak, who is the worldwide guru on semantic web. We have Marianne Dolores from Oblong, who will show you a user interface looking like Minority Report, where you can slice and dice data that has semantic information behind them. And we also have Egoza Omoigui, who was the strategic director for strategic investments on semantic web worldwide for Intel Capital. So I'm really super excited to have the topic of smart data, semantic web on the agenda of Innotribe at Sibos this year. This is a must-see session, and you will be blown away by some fantastic demos on how semantic data and smart data will apply to financial services. Please join us in our discussions on innotribe.com and swiftcommunity.net, and really looking forward to meet you all in person at Sibos in Amsterdam. Whoa!